Welcome to Highline College. Thank you for your interest in our nursing programs. As you prepare to meet with an educational planner to discuss your plans to pursue nursing, this video will provide you with a good overview of the information on the requirements and procedures for applying to RN programs. These programs are very competitive, and we want to be sure you have the most accurate information possible to decide on the best option for you. First, you will hear from Terry Trio, our nursing program coordinator, about the RN programs offered at Highline.
Hi, I'm Terry Trio, nursing program coordinator for Highline Community College. Thank you for your interest in our program. You're probably wondering what our program is like. Well, we are a full-time program, which means you'll be spending a lot of time on campus. Part of that time will be in theory courses, where we'll be teaching you about concepts and theories related to patient care. Part of that time will be spent in a clinical experience where you'll be off campus, either in a hospital, community, mental health, or maternal child setting. And a lot of it will be spent in this lab here, where you'll be learning how to do what the skills necessary to take care of patients in the clinical setting. Some of this will include simulation, which means we'll be putting you in scenarios where you'll be required to make decisions on patient care based on the information that you're presented with. The most important thing for you to do between now and the time that you're ready to apply for our program is to be successful in all of your prerequisite courses, because they provide the foundation that you'll need to be successful in our program. Thank you again for your interest, and we look forward to having you be a part of the Highline College nursing program.
As you consider a career in nursing, it is important to understand that there are 3 different pathways to reach your goal. They include a 2-year associate RN program, an LPN-to-RN program, and a specialized associate degree in pre-nursing to transfer to a Bachelor of Science in Nursing program. Let's first talk about the prerequisite courses that are required for Highline's RN program. They include English 101, Math 146, which is a statistics course, Psychology 200, and Chemistry 121. Psychology 100 is required before you can take Psychology 200. And in order to take Chemistry 121, you must place into college-level math or complete Math 91 with a 2.0. The sequence of biology classes includes Biology 241, Human Anatomy and Physiology 1, Biology 242, Human Anatomy and Physiology 2, and Biology 260, Microbiology. Before Biology 241, 242, or 260, a student must take Biology 160 or 211 and earn a 2.0 or better in the course. The Biology 241, 242, 260, and Psychology 200 courses must be taken within the last 7 years. There's no time limit for the other courses. The Biology 241 and 242 courses must be taken at the same college. In each of the 7 prerequisite courses, you must achieve a minimum 3.0 grade in each course, excluding the math course. Math 146 requires a minimum grade of 2.5. You may only repeat these courses once, and the most recent grade will be used to calculate your eligibility. To be eligible for admission to the RN program, you must complete the academic prerequisites with the required grades. You must take the TEAS exam, which stands for the Test of Essential Academic Skills, and earn a minimum score of 75. Students must also have earned their Washington State Nursing Assistant Certificate, or CNA, and maintain an active license. For the 2-year RN program, 60 students from the applicants that meet all of the prerequisites will be selected through a random selection process. 20 students will be chosen to start in fall quarter, 20 will be chosen to start in winter quarter, and 20 will be chosen to start in spring quarter. The academic requirements of the LPN-to-RN program are the same as for the RN program. In each of the 7 prerequisite courses, you must achieve a minimum 3.0 grade in each course, excluding the math course. Math 146 requires a minimum grade of 2.5. You may only repeat these courses once, and the most recent grade will be used to calculate your eligibility. In addition, each student must take the TEAS exam and must achieve a minimum score of 75. To be eligible for admissions to the LPN-to-RN program, you must also have an active Washington State LPN license. For the 1-year LPN-to-RN program, 30 students from the applicants that meet all of the prerequisites will be selected through a random selection process. 10 students will be chosen to start in fall quarter, 10 will be chosen to start in winter quarter, and 10 will be chosen to start in spring quarter. The third pathway is an associate degree in pre-nursing, which will prepare students to transfer to a university and obtain their Bachelor of Science degree in nursing, or BSN. The associate in pre-nursing is a 90-credit degree program. The coursework is the same as the prerequisites for the RN program, with additional classes in a number of academic subjects. As a new student, the first step is to apply to Highline. Go to highline.edu and click on Apply for Admission. Once you've applied as a Highline student and paid the application fee, you will need to take the Compass Reading and My Math exams to determine which levels of English and Math you place into. If you have classes from other schools, order official transcripts from those schools and bring them to the registration office at Highline to be evaluated. Be sure to have your placement scores and a copy of your unofficial transcript with you when you meet with an advisor. When you meet with an advisor, they will go over the application process and look at your placement scores and prior classes. Keep in mind that this is a very high-demand program, and it is important to register for classes as promptly as possible. You probably still have some questions, and that's great. Please bring your questions and visit our Educational Planning and Advising Center in Building 6 to speak to an advisor about which pathway is right for you. No appointment is needed, and students can simply drop in and meet with an advisor. We appreciate your time viewing this video, and our advisors are looking forward to meeting with you. Thank you, and welcome to Highline College.